Hey guys, so we've just launched WhatsApp automations on CodeWords, and today I want to build a very simple automation which I can add to a group chat, and this automation will essentially translate messages sent into English. So what I'm going to do is come into CodeWords and I'm going to prompt Cody. So build me a WhatsApp automation workflow that whenever a message is sent in another language and not in English, it translates it and sends a message with the translation. So I'm going to kick that off, and Cody is going to plan, architect, build and deploy this workflow for me. So now Cody has gone through the build process and it's deployed the workflow. Here is a graph representation of the workflow. So first it's triggered, it detects the language, translates it into English, then sends the translation back into the WhatsApp chat. So now what I need to do is run the workflow, and what this will do is register my number against the workflow. So let's quickly do this. Amazing, so it successfully registered my number with the workflow. In the instructions, it tells me to add the CodeWords number, tag it, and then trigger the workflow. So I'm going to go into my WhatsApp chat and I'm going to tag CodeWords. Amazing, so it successfully linked the workflow to my group chat. And so now what I can do is just message in a different language and let the automation run and translate it for me. What you can also do is you can go into the triggers page, and it should surface the trigger associated with this workflow. So WhatsApp language translator, you can see, is active and has been enabled. So if I go back into WhatsApp, this should take a moment and respond back into the chat. Amazing. So translation: hello, my name is Shahil Khan. So that's a quick and easy way to add an automation into your WhatsApp group chat.